In order to track sales metrics, you can build custom reports in your CRM. They provide a summary of all your CRM activities in the usual table format and are fast and easy to create. Perhaps you'd like to get an overview of your team's lead generation efforts on a weekly basis. Select the KPIs, the appropriate date range, a time frame, and click Run. And this is the summary of what your team has been up to this week. You can modify it or download it to a spreadsheet, which is handy for quick one-time use. You can also save it if you need this report regularly. Give it a name, select who can see it, and even choose to have it emailed right to your inbox. Let's say every Friday at 3 p.m. OnePageCRM will now automatically update and send you the report every week on the dot. And once saved, all reports are listed in your CRM, ready to be updated as needed. So you and your team can now focus on selling while OnePageCRM handles the numbers.